All right, guys, this is Joe East with Megger. So we're looking at the Sverker 900 again. You can see here, I have it set up, and I actually have it active on a three-phase output, 277 volts per phase, phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, separated by 120 degrees on the angle. So phase A is 0 degrees, phase 2 is 120 degrees, and phase 3 is 240 degrees at 60 hertz. So we're going to go to the MPQ 2000 and take a look at what we see here. So here's the Megger MPQ 2000. I'm going to put it in oscilloscope mode. There you go. See, it's busy. It's doing some capturing. And if you look toward the top of the screen, you'll see a legend phase A, phase B, phase C for volts and volts RMS. So you see phase A, phase B, phase C up there, 277 somewhat volts, and you'll see it taking samples here of the three phases occasionally. So that's the output of the Sverker 900. We kind of think of it as a three-phase source. So remember, Sverker 900, kind of sort of a three-phase source. And this is the Megger MPQ 2000, taking some snapshots of the output of the Sverker 900. I have this running in my house, so I got it on low amperage, approximately a half amp. So we don't have any serious power coming in here, but I want you to take a look at the voltages. So we're going to hold the data and zoom in a bit so you can see the three different phases output from the Sverker 900 into the MPQ 2000. So here it goes. Let's hold the data. I should turn, if I get it right. There we go. Turns yellow when it holds. Let's just zoom in here so you can see the three nice phases a few times. Let's zoom number one. Zoom in again. See that? Now you can see the three phases coming out of the Sverker 900 into the MPQ 2000. Zoom in once more. There you go. You can see all three phases. If you notice, and if you can see on the screen, if you got good resolution, they're color coded. So phase A is red, phase B is blue, and phase C is black. And we're at 277 volts RMS, 60 hertz. Let's exit hold so you can see it sample a few more times the output of the Sverker 900 there. All right, there you go. So you're going to see it sampling a few times. There you go, see it sampling. What I also want to show you is the unbalanced screen inside of the MPQ 2000. So here we're going to go. If you look at the bottom menu, I'm going to go toward Unbalanced. I'm going to select it to where you can see the phases there. So you look at the top left legend, you can see phase A, B, and C. The volts is 277 on each, and you can see the phase angle. 0 for phase A, 120 for phase B, and 240 for phase C. And you can also see the phasor diagram here. Now you notice the amps are very low because, like I said, I'm doing this in my house and I don't want to have any high amperage in my house, but you can also see that for reference. All right, so we got the balance screen. So let's exit the screen. I'm going to show you one more about the harmonics on the MPQ 2000. So here we go. Let's exit Unbalance. Okay, now it's going back to the oscilloscope mode, and it's going to be sampling periodically. The three phases come on and out of the Sverker 900. Okay, let's go to, see at the bottom right, you'll see harmonics. Let's go to harmonics. So we're gonna kind of move the menu bar slowly toward harmonics. Let's choose harmonics. Select. And you're gonna see it sampling right here, the phase A, and you're gonna see it sampling occasionally. You're gonna see some harmonics probably pop up soon here on the screen as it samples. There you go. So you see the harmonics. In this particular screen, if you see at the bottom left, it's highlighted in yellow. The 0th harmonic all the way up to the 25th harmonic. So that's what this screen is here in phase A. So let's just bump it up to phase B, just to go through the screens. There you go, some another sample right there. Let's go to phase B and wait for him to sample the harmonics here. To where there you go, phase B harmonics. Let's go to phase C. So there you go, the sampling of the phase C harmonics. All right. So there it goes. It samples every so often. You can check the spec sheet on the exact period of its sampling. Let's go back to phase A. See top left corner, you see phase C there. Let's go to phase B, phase A. I want to show you one more thing. You look at the bottom of the screen, you see, like I said, 0 to the 25th harmonic in yellow. Let's go to the one right next to it, the 25th to the 50th harmonic. You ready? Let's move that bar. There you go. There is the 25th to the 50th harmonic on phase A. Again, I'm using low current, so we're not going to go to the next two on the currents. We're just going to sample the voltage harmonics for this particular video. All right, let's go back to the oscilloscope page. Let's exit harmonics, and now we're back to the oscilloscope mode of the MPQ 2000. Now, if you see where I've selected it's called the DMM mode here. See at the top, digital multimeter mode. You could also see, this is another perspective. So phase A, B, and C under voltage, you see total harmonic distortion. And of course, like I said, the current is not going to be accurate here because I'm just putting about a half an amp through the system. So we don't want to pay attention to the current because, like I said, I'm in my house, just messing around here a little bit. So let's go back to the scope mode, and then we'll shut her down after a couple of samples there so you guys can see it. All right, so you're looking at the MPQ 2000 screen, and the driver, should I say the source, is the Sverker 900. You might have seen me set this guy up on a previous video for a 3-phase source. So if you're looking for a 3-phase source, this guy can take care of you. And of course, if you want to view the output of the 3-phase source, you can check out our MPQ 2000 series. Again, this is Joe East with Megger. If you guys got any questions about this stuff, feel free to contact me. And as always, you guys stay safe out there. We'll talk to you later. Goodbye.